everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Jenny, and this is Creating Crafts with Jenny. And currently I'm uploading a couple times a week if I can. And currently I am doing a paint pour for this video. And the last two videos that I did when I did a paint pouring video, and I do paint by numbers on my video, and I do diamond painting. Usually something to do with painting and that sort of thing, crafts, all right? Oh, and before I forget, before I get all busy, I do that. Hit that subscribe button. I sure would appreciate it. It's usually tucked right down there in that corner right there. I sure would appreciate that. All right, so, and thumbs up always helps too. Okay, so what I did in the last couple videos that I did a paint pouring video was I used Floetrol, which I've got down here, and water. And I've got it mixed down up here in a cup, and it looks like a milky white when it goes down on the canvas. But what it does is it dries clear. And this is a wood canvas. So basically it dried clear, and then the other colors were able to come through on the canvas, and you basically have a clear coat going down. And it, like I said, it dries clear. And the same thing with this on this black canvas was the black canvas was able to show through on your canvas. So that gave me an idea. So what I did was earlier today I came in here and I painted the canvas a blue. So one of the colors in the paint pour, or the palette that I'm doing, is blue. So you can see that one of the colors is blue, and yeah, it's another Karen Clark's palette. And you know, it's interesting. You guys probably think, oh, she only does Karen Clark's palettes. No, well, lately I have been. Palettes just make my life easier, and I don't know that everybody who's out there doing this type of art is following a palette, but they're following something. I don't know, maybe they have their own creativity and their own palette in their mind, but I just like sharing with you where I get my ideas. And so here I am sharing with you. So today I've got a gold, and the gold is comes from Tester's Craft, and it is a, what is this? Tangerine. And then I've picked another Tester's Craft. I'm an orange, and I've got apple barrel, and I've got a palm leaf. On here they're calling it olive. And then I've got an outdoorsy, and it's a vermilion, I need my glasses on, hue color. So it's kind of like a blood orange. So then the blue was cobalt blue, and I painted that down on the canvas. Like I said, I did that earlier today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, for the foundation of the painting, and I'll switch it down here, will be the mixture of the water, and it's like half and half. So it's half Floetrol and half water. So I'm going to put that down first, and when it dries, it will be clear, which is really kind of cool. So, and I've already got it up on the cookie sheet. That was just kind of it was already kind of in here, so I was like, oh, what the heck. It's very runny and very clear. Very runny and very clear. No, it's not clear yet, but it will be. But it's very, very runny. And that's okay. We just want the paint to move around. Just want the paint to move around. And that's going to dry clear and allow that blue color that's underneath there to come through. So, and like you guys know, I always throw my stir sticks out. Just makes it easier. And okay, so let's do, I'm gonna do Gonna do some circles. Okay. And I'll do some circles, then blow them out with the blow dryer. How's that sound? That sounds good. You have circles down here. A lot of paint. Let's see. It's funny because in my mind I'm thinking, it's not what you were thinking you wanted to do. Alright, let's see what we got here. Not what I was thinking I wanted. So I wanted more of that blue to shine through, and I don't think it's going to. Okay, let's see here. Let's do this. Let's try some. Oh, I need more Floetrol. Hold on. Let's do this. That's too much paint. Let's try this again. Okay. Let's try this. Let's try this again. Okay. Oh, it's cooked off some of the blue. Oh, that's interesting. Let's see. Okay, let's try skin. Okay. Alright. Let's do a vein. That's great. That's better. Okay. So let's see how that does. Let's see if the white in here dries clear, those white spots, and that blue underneath comes through. So I'm hoping, and it should, that the blue where the white is dries and the blue comes through. So similar to over here where you see the blue, so that's where the blue should show up. It should. We shall see. Right? It looks really cool right now. Got a lot of webbing here. I'm glad I scraped it. The cool thing is I should have some amazing, and I do mean amazing, skins underneath here. Look at this. I don't know what I will do with the skins, but I will try to do something besides just throw them in the trash. If that's okay with you guys. I know. You guys don't argue about anything, do you? At least not right now. But I will try to do something with them. I don't know what. But I'll do something with them. But I like the colors, and this should, in regards to the skins down here, again, the white should dry clear in regards to the skins also. And that's what, and I just had one of the skins and I threw it away. Noticed the other day was the skins, which is this down here, will also dry clear, and this could make some really pretty jewelry. I'll actually see if I can move this out of here so you can see what that looks like underneath. So that would dry clear, and that would make some pretty jewelry stuff underneath there. So you can see what that looks like. So yeah. All right, so yeah, we will let that dry probably for quite a while and kind of go from there, and I'll probably sit this over yonder behind me. Okay, so I'm going to get off here, and I will take some pictures. I'll set it in there because it's wet right now. I will take some pictures, and as it's drying, and yeah, and so you guys can see what it looks like, kind of like as it dries and before and after, that sort of thing. Yep, it should look really cool. So I'm pleased with it. I'm glad I scraped it. Yeah, so there's nothing wrong with starting over. Nope. Alright, so I'm going to get off here and spend some time with the family. What do I always tell you guys? Go out there. Be absolutely awesome. Do your thing, and I will see you in my next video. Talk to you soon. Bye.